I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask.
What's up everybody, welcome to another in-depth review video. Today we are gonna do an honest review of Tecno CAMON 30 Premier, a phone that punches above its weight in the mid-range segment. Let's dive right into what this phone offers, but before that, as usual, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask. Don't play pretend. You think you are everything I need, but I gotta leave.
Tecno CAMON 30 Premier stands with its sophisticated design and premium build quality. We have chosen the snowy silver because it feels like a fusion of sport and elegance. The back panel is a highlight. It's crafted with soft touch material that feels luxurious in our hand and offers a textured strip for improved grip. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 shields the display, providing protection against everyday scratches and bumps. But that's not all. The CAMON 30 Premier boasts an IP54 rating, signifying its resistance to dust and light water splashes. So we can take it on our adventures without worry.
You know you left me lonely. I could tell.
Tecno CAMON 30 Premier features three 50-megapixel rear cameras, a main sensor with optical image stabilization, a telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, and an ultra-wide lens. It includes a quad LED flash and supports 4K video recording. The front camera is also 50 megapixel with autofocus. Moreover, there is a Sony imaging chip in the CAMON 30 Premier. It enhances NPU power and elevates computational photography. Portrait photography with Tecno CAMON 30 Premier is exceptional. It captures intricate details, ensuring sharp, clear images with high resolution. Skin tones are rendered naturally, providing a true-to-life representation that enhances facial features with subtle accuracy. Color rendition is vibrant yet realistic, bringing scenes to life with rich and accurate hues. Additionally, the professional-grade bokeh effect creates a smooth, beautiful background blur, effectively drawing focus to the subject.
I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask. Don't play pretend.
Moreover, detail level on Tecno CAMON 30 Premier is impressive. It captures every tiny detail clearly and processes every texture with sharpness. This ensures that every aspect is crisply defined. Natural skin tones add authenticity, avoiding overly processed looks. Vibrant color rendition ensures photos are vivid and lifelike, while the bokeh effect offers a pleasing depth of field, making subjects pop against a softly blurred background. Personally, I really didn't expect this much. Tecno CAMON 30 Premier stands out with its night photography capabilities, making it a key feature. Tecno CAMON 30 Premier captures fine details in low light with precision and balances exposure beautifully, preventing overblown highlights. It also effectively reduces noise, keeping images clean and smooth. Even in a very dark environment, Tecno CAMON 30 Premier preserves rich shadow details and it produces flagship class, vibrant and lively photos. I'm truly surprised to see Tecno CAMON 30 Premier can deliver bright, detailed and vibrant night images. So low light photography with this Tecno CAMON 30 Premier is not only enjoyable, it actually offers a very impressive performance. When it comes to 4K videography, Tecno CAMON 30 Premier really shines. The flagship class 50-megapixel main sensor pulls in a ton of detail, making videos look incredibly sharp and vibrant. The built-in stabilization is pretty impressive too, keeping footages smooth even if we are on the move. CAMON 30 Premier not only grabs a lot of details on the subject, but also maintains a good balance between shadows and highlights. With precise exposure control, it can handle different scenarios with different type of ambient lighting. Overall, considering its price, it does a fantastic job capturing high-quality 4K footages. So yeah, me and Thea, we both have been using Tecno CAMON 30 Premier to record our memorable moments. Personally, I don't like to take a lot of selfies, but I have taken some selfies with Thea cause she likes the selfie performance of Tecno CAMON 30 Premier. After checking the photos, wow, I think selfie performance is almost as good as other top flagships. Its 50 megapixel front camera captures high resolution images with exceptional detail and clarity. Natural skin tone and vibrant color rendition ensure it delivers realistic selfie photos. And yeah, it has an advanced algorithm which enhances textures without overprocessing. So altogether, the overall camera performance of Tecno CAMON 30 Premier is way better than its competitors. The star of the show is the 6.77-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 1264 by 2780 pixels resolution. Not only it is big and beautiful, but the 120Hz refresh rate makes everything buttery smooth, from scrolling through social media to gaming. Moreover, it can reproduce 1 billion colors, supports HDR and 1400 nits peak brightness. Whether we are watching our favorite shows or battling it out online, the visuals are guaranteed to impress.
It's so hard to believe that one day I'll feel peace. I won't
Tecno CAMON 30 Premier also comes with a stereo speaker setup. It supports 24-bit 192 kHz high-res audio. Let's listen to some music to check its speaker performance.
When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better pull out, you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. When she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live.
Under the hood, Tecno CAMON 30 Premier packs a serious punch. MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset is a powerhouse, especially when combined with 12GB of RAM. This means we can expect lag-free performance even with the most demanding applications and games. I ran some benchmarks myself and the CAMON 30 Premier achieved an impressive score on Antutu and Geekbench, putting it on par with other budget flagships. For gamers, CAMON 30 Premier delivers high frame rate on popular titles. In my tests on Genshin Impact, I saw very consistent and above average gaming rates, ensuring a smooth and immersive gaming experience. Moreover, the phone doesn't get heated, so there is no thermal throttling. That's really a surprising thing. Yeah, me and my girlfriend Thea, we both have enjoyed playing games on this Tecno CAMON 30 Premier. Even we have tried to play games for hours after hours, and the phone didn't even throttle a bit. Tecno CAMON 30 Premier boasts a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery that will easily get us through a full day of use on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, the super-fast 70-watt charging technology brings the phone back to 100% in a flash. No more waiting around for hours for our phone to be ready to go again. I actually have managed to squeeze almost 2 days of battery life because I don't play a lot of games and using the camera seems like doesn't drain that type of battery. But yeah, as Thea plays a lot of games, she has managed to squeeze around 6 hours and 46 minutes of screen on time. For secure unlocking, Tecno CAMON 30 Premier features an in-display fingerprint sensor that's quick and responsive.
I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask. Don't play pretend.
It also supports face unlock for added convenience. On the software side, the phone runs iOS 14, a customized interface based on Android 14. iOS offers a user-friendly experience with a range of features to enhance our productivity and entertainment. Tecno CAMON 30 Premier is a feature-packed powerhouse at a great price. It delivers a stunning display, top-notch performance, a versatile camera system, long battery life with fast charging, and it has a premium build with elegant appearance. Truly, with its exquisite design, premium build quality, and IP54 rating, Tecno CAMON 30 Premier is a compelling choice for those seeking a stylish and powerful phone that can withstand everyday wear and tear and at the same time doesn't break the bank. Well, I have left a link of this Tecno CAMON 30 Premier in the description box. Go ahead, check the phone. But before that, as usual, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask, don't play pretend, cause you think you are everything I need, but I gotta leave.